Part 1. You and your culture. Warm-up survey. To begin each topic, you first reflect on your own personal habits and opinions by filling out a quick survey. You can respond by filling out the survey in your textbook. Or, if your teacher prefers, you could respond online through a Google form. Your teacher will give you the link or QR code for this. Interview. Next, write out your warm-up survey responses in full sentences. This will help you to prepare for the interview with classmates. Use these sentences as a starting point when you speak during the interviews. Interview one or more classmates and take notes of their responses. If you like, you can comment on how similar or how different your responses were to your classmates. Or you can look at data from the whole class and comment on that. Expression 1. The purpose of this activity is for you to express yourself about cultural trends in your society and some of the groups in it. Choose an expression from each box to make detailed sentences. You can compare different groups of people or different contexts within Japanese society. You can add vocabulary to the empty boxes. The third space allows you to express yourself freely. Expression 2. The purpose of this activity is to talk about yourself in relation to general trends in your society. Use the structure box as inspiration to create sentences. You can reuse the vocabulary from expression 1.